Hey everybody, my name's John Erickson. I'm represented by MKM, located here in Los Angeles, California, and I'm available for the shoot date at Burbank Airport. So the idea of acting and auditioning during the pandemic, for me, has been a super positive experience. Having a home studio, having two poodles here with me right now, helping out with the casting whenever I need a little inspiration or to lighten the mood, I just look at them and it's just a wonderful thing to see. And having wardrobe right behind this, being able to pick whatever outfit I want to fit the occasion. I mean, especially this audition, being able to come up with this outfit. There's so much back there. Right there, I can go change, boom, different outfits, different roles. It's been great. Busy, different, fun. Gotta say though, I'm looking forward to a new normal, getting back into the audition room, meeting with casting, seeing people in the waiting room. Just the engagement with people is certainly something that I do miss. So, thanks.